What's up, guys? Sonny the Badger here for another episode of Fatboy Friday. This week, we're going to talk batteries. Gel batteries, regular batteries, lithium batteries, because silver here has a weak battery. So it'll start most of the time, but if you leave it sit for like a week, maybe 2 weeks, it will not start. I'm gonna have to jump start it. And so I just don't want a weak battery in there, and I'm gonna change it out. So I went a different route this time. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, if it's your first time to our channel, welcome to our channel. We talk about all things motorcycle, but a lot of stuff Fatboy because that's what I ride, and that's what I work on. But if it's your first time here, like I said, welcome to our channel. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back, guys. Thanks so much for coming back and hanging out with me. As I said in the intro, old Silver here is going to get a new battery. So I started looking at batteries, and I'll tell you what I've used for the past 2 years is a Bike Master True Gel battery. And it has a 2-year warranty, and I've actually had to warranty it. The one thing I will say for them is they warranted it, no questions asked, but it got weak on me once before. They're gonna warranty it again for me, but instead of getting another battery, I think I'm just gonna get my money back because I love the 2-year warranty, but I don't wanna have to warranty it every year and a half under that 2 years. So I want something that's going to last longer. When I worked at Harley, like 6 years ago, the first battery I got for that bike was a lithium battery, and it was like $300. It was crazy insane. But it has lasted the longest for me in that bike. Now I live here in Florida where it is hot pretty much year round, and Florida is notorious for killing batteries. If you can get a year out of a battery, that's the average life expectancy. So I'm expecting a lot more from the lithium battery I bought. The lithium battery has a 5-year warranty. So I mean, even if it'll last me 2.5, 3 years and I have to warranty it, that's better than warrantying it once a year. So that is the way that I went. Now, the lithium battery comes with a lot more features than the True Gel from Bike Master. It's also more expensive. So the True Gel was right around $110, and the lithium battery that I chose, it's like $165. So, you know, $55 difference. But like I said, if I can go another year, 2 years per battery and not have to work on it, I'm willing to do that. Not to mention, the weight difference is insane. Not that weight really matters on my bike since it's pretty much loaded down to travel cross country, but hey, 10 pounds is 10 pounds. And I would say there's at least 10 pounds difference between the gel battery and the lithium battery. So I am definitely happy about that part too, especially when you have to change the damn things. So let's take a look at the two different batteries, the old battery and the new style battery, and some of the features of it. And then I know I've done a video on replacing the battery before, but I'm just gonna go ahead and slap the new battery in the bike. So if you're interested in how to change out the battery, hang out and I'll show you that too. All right, let's check out these batteries. All right, guys, so first off, we've got the True Gel Bike Master battery. It's pretty simple, pretty standard. It does have a 2-year warranty, which is awesome. It has the normal connections here where you slide the little block in there that actually has your threads. You can do it from the top or you can do it from the side. Pretty simple, standard stuff that have been run for years and years and years. It's your typical size. Nothing out of the ordinary. It is heavy. Now, let's take a look at the new battery I got. All right, guys, so this battery is from Noco. It is a lithium battery. It does come with a bunch of different features, as I said. It even comes with some Noco Foam Pads to put around your battery. The thing that kind of blew me away is, look at the instruction manual that came with this battery. I mean, this is a little battery, but look at how thick that thing is. That's crazy. And then, of course, it comes with a wrench so that you can take out your tie down bolt. You can go top or either side on this one. So there's actually another point where you can connect your wires to it. That's pretty nice. As far as weight goes, this one's way lighter. Here's something else that I thought was pretty cool. As you can see, there's a height difference between these two batteries, but the Noco comes with stackable plates. So there are 4 plates here that you can take off or add on to make the battery the height that you want it. So I thought that was a pretty neat feature. So if you need a taller battery or a shorter battery, this gives you that ability, where this, you're just stuck with whatever you get is what you get. Anyway, guys, so that is the Noco battery I got. So it's supposed to charge really fast. It says 10 times more starts, 5 times longer life, but it does have a 5-year warranty. So for me, that was an important piece. This isn't a review of this battery because it's brand new to me. I don't know, I've not used it. I will definitely do a review after using it for a while, but this is just, after doing my research, this was just a battery that I decided to go with, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Anyway, let's get it put in the bike. All right, y'all, if you've never replaced a battery or accessed your battery on a Fatboy Softail of this era, it's pretty simple. It's right there under the seat. So in most cases, there's a single bolt back here that holds that seat in. So let's get that off and we'll take a look at where the battery's at. Just unscrew the flat blade screwdriver, kind of pull back on your seat, lift it up, and there we are. All right, guys, so the battery is right there. In this case, it's a couple of 10mm bolts that hold the wires together. So I'm gonna take those off. You always wanna take the negative side off first and then the positive side. So if you do not know which is the negative and which is the positive, on the top of the battery, which I'll show you here, it shows you the negative is a minus sign, the positive is a plus sign. So you want to take the minus sign off first, then take the plus sign off after that. Let's get the wires off this and pull the battery. All right, guys, so we got the battery all unhooked. Now we got to pull this beast out of here. Remember me talking about being kind of heavy? There she is. She's out of there. All right, once you got the old one out, then you can put the new one back in. Just the reverse of putting the old one in. You'll just put your positive cables on first and your negatives on second. All right, guys, so we got the new battery in there, all set and ready to go. Just had to put the seat back on, and that's it. That's pretty much all there is to changing a battery. It's pretty simple, but one of the most important things for your bike, right? When you go out and you hit that starter button and it goes rrr, rrr, click, 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 that is just a horrible feeling. So, like I said, I'm gonna try this battery out. I'll let you know my thoughts on it probably, in a year. Once I've used it, or if it goes crappy, I'll let you know sooner. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. You can ring the bell icon if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a new video. Leave me your comments. If you've used lithium batteries or any other batteries and have an opinion on them, I would definitely like to hear it. So leave me your comments. And again, guys, remember, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride. Let's see if this thing will start.